guys, it's Rosanna from All Gift Matter. Just wanted to give you a quick update. This is the end of day 3 of our project and it's looking a little bit tidier. We got rid of a lot of stuff. Did a couple of trips to the tip to get rid of what we don't really want. Still have a lot more to do, but I'm feeling more positive. I'm feeling hopeful, and yeah, it's going to be good hopefully soon. So yeah, we still have to get rid of all these stuff, and then we can build new workbenches, have a nice, well, decorate everything. So yeah, we are doing the inside at the minute first, and then we're gonna focus on the outside, so a little bit at a time. But next it's going to be that little corner there, which is a trailer with a lot of scrap wood, some chairs, and God knows what else. I don't even remember what's down there. So yeah, the next job is going to be to tackle all that. All that is going to the tip. We're going to save the good wood that we can actually repurpose, perhaps to build the new benches and whatever. But yeah, I'm feeling hopeful. So yeah, it's looking much tidier. And yeah, just a quick update for you, if you care, because I know there will be a lot of us with the same situation, to be fair. And this is the price of creativity for you creatives. We just see purpose and potential in everything, so we just have to keep stuff, don't we? And and then that's what happened. But yeah, one day at a time, step by step, we're gonna get there. And yeah, so if you're interested, keep watching, and I shall follow up with some more updates soon. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.